For nothing will be impossible with God. Luke 1 and verse 37. And welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I install these beautiful crochet braids that I got from Toyotress. So a bit about these braids. This is their 16-inch wavy locks in the color 1B. I'll leave all the information for these braids in my description bar down below, as well as my discount code, which is Roanna20, so you can save 20% off of your next purchase. So to install these crochet locks, I'm going to be doing the rubber band method. So this is a braidless installation process. So if you are interested to see how I install these locks, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it, and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So let's jump right into this installation process of these 16-inch wavy locks from Toyotress. So the crochet hair that I'm going to be installing and reviewing today is in partnership with Toyotress. This is their 16-inch wavy locks in the color 1B. Inside of the package, I received 8 packs of their pre-looped braids along with a crochet pin. So in each of the pack, it comes with 12 pre-looped braids, which is equivalent to 96 crochet braids all together. So today I'm going to be doing the braidless crochet method by using rubber bands. So let's jump right into the installation process of these 16-inch crochet braids from Toyotress. I'm going to be doing it a bit different, you guys. So I'm definitely not going to be doing a wig install. Today I'm going to be doing another crochet video. It didn't like so long, almost a year since I did a crochet install video. The reason being, I'm not really a fan of braids because my scalp is super sensitive. So I just prefer to install wigs. So the braids that I'm going to be using today to do this crochet install is from Toyotress. So this is their wavy locks in 16 inches, and it came with 8 packs of braids inside, and it also came with a crochet pin and a thank you card. So to begin the braidless installation process, I'm going to be taking my wild hair growth oil, and I'm just going to be putting some of that into the rubber bands before I install them. And I'm going in with my Maurice Australian beeswax to put that in the roots of my hair. So I did 2 rows of the rubber band method to the front portion, and I'm going to be repeating the same process to the back. So I'm going to be doing 2 rows of the rubber bands to the back and 2 rows on each side. So when I'm finished, this is how it is looking. The part doesn't have to be perfect because again, this is crochet locks. So I left the middle portion, and what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be twisting the front portion to the back. So I'm just going to be twisting that around. I'm joining the front to the sides and the sides to the back, and when I have everything together, I'm just going to be taking a rubber band just to secure that, and I'm just going to 2-strand twist the hair, and I'm just going to repeat the same process as I did to the entire hair. So I'm just going to continue to crochet the back of the hair using the wavy locks from Toyotress. So again, I did 2 rows of the rubber band method to the back and the side. So if you want to wear your hair up in a ponytail, it could work perfectly. So I'm just gonna continue to crochet the wavy locks to the back portion of my hair because I only did the sides and the back, but to the middle portion I just left it as is. So I'm just covering up the middle portion with the locks. So I'm just gonna repeat the same process until the back portion is completed. So once I have completed the back portion, I'm just gonna be moving on to the front portion, and I'm just gonna repeat the same process as I did. I pull the hair through, close the latch hook, and just wrap that around one time. So I'm just gonna be repeating the process until my entire hair is filled with the 16-inch wavy locks from Toyotress. So I decided to go with a side part with these crochet locks from Toyotress. So now I'm just gonna start to work on laying my edges using my Gorilla Snot gel in a punk. This is my holy grail when it comes to laying my edges. So I'm just gonna be working on my edges. So once my edges are laid, this concludes the installation process of this 16-inch wavy locks from Toyotress. Hope you enjoy the installation process. God bless. So you guys, this is the end result of my 16-inch wavy locks pre-looped braids from Toyotress. So these braids are giving all the gives, you guys, and I'm definitely loving it. So a bit about these braids. This is their 16-inch wavy locks in the color 1B. They have a wide variety of colors that you can choose from, and they also have 24 inches if you are interested in purchasing a longer length. And I received 8 packs of these braids, and inside of each pack it comes with 12 pre-looped braids. So it's equivalent to 96 braids. These are wavy locks retails for $58.99 on their website, or you can purchase them on Amazon, and it's a bit cheaper on Amazon. It's for $39.99. Again, I'll leave all the information for these braids in my description bar down below if you are interested in purchasing, along with my discount code, which is Roanna20, to save you 20% off of your purchase. So thank you so much for sticking with me until the end. So see you in my next video, and always remember to put God first in everything that you do, and see you in my next one. God bless.